Now let me introduce you to the style spy. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Hey guys, I'm back with another DIY. Here's the material that you need. A while back on Amazon, I was looking and I saw these Joshua Sanders Donna sneakers and I fell in love with them. And I said I'm going to remake them because they look so easy. I tried to find Air Force One's lookalikes, but I didn't find them until today. Like, really misguided. But this is what you do. Remember back in the day when you used to make those paper fans? You're going to take your tool and you're going to make a paper fan, folding it from the top to the bottom until you see a fan. Once you have that fan, you're going to stitch it down to hold the fan in place. And once you stitch it down, you're going to put glue on your shoe, and then you're going to apply the tool on there. You're going to create 3 different sections of the tool fans.
See it here. Got the mixing board.
Alright, stop by what you say. Okay. Stop by what you say.